Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome back to e-learning students. I am very happy to welcome you children. I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. Dear children, we started online classes to continue our studies. Parents, please support us and make your child to shine in future. Children, please make use of this opportunity children. If you have any doubt regarding lessons or regarding any questions, if you don't understand anything, you can WhatsApp me or you can ask doubt in Google Classroom itself. Students, we never ever stop learning, okay? So that we are taking online classes now. We move on to our lessons, okay? Come. Today I am going to cover Sea Turtles lesson, third section. Before going into section 3, just we recall last week's topic also. I noted down some important points from section 2, okay? First is, between the month of January and March, female olive turtles come ashore at night to lay their eggs. Nest cavity 45 centimeter deep, okay? It lays more than 100 eggs, shaped like tennis ball shape. Turtle hides the eggs under the sand, okay? Then local people, dogs, pigs follow the turtle and they collect the eggs for eating. After 45 to 60 days later, the eggs hatch with the help of tiny egg tooth and they make hurried dash to the sea. Now let's see the lesson section 3. I am going to read it out. Please concentrate children. Section 3. Many of these tiny hatchlings, which weigh less than 20 grams each, will not even reach the sea. They will fall prey to the crabs or birds even before they reach the water. Most of those that do make it into the water will also be eaten by many predators in the sea within first few days of their lives. Now I am going to explain it to you, okay? These hatchlings weigh less than 20 grams only, okay? They will not reach sea because they are eaten by crabs and eaten by birds and also eaten by many predators. Predators means animal kills other animals for food. We move on to next para, okay? In fact, scientists estimate that only 1 in every 1,000 hatchlings becomes an adult. It is perhaps to ensure that enough hatchlings survive to keep the species going that sea turtles lay so many eggs. Survive means continue to live. Sea turtle scientists tells that 1 in 1,000 eggs become an adult, so that sea turtles lays more than 100 eggs. This is next paragraph in section 3. After many years of swimming in the open ocean, the female hatchlings that have become an adult return to the same sea where they were born. They come there to lay their own eggs. How they manage to find the place after so many years in the sea is one of the many mysteries of these fascinating reptiles. Now I am going to explain it. Listen carefully. After many years of swimming in an open beach, the hatchlings become an adult. This is the adult sea turtles. Again, they return to the same beach where they were born. They return to the same beach to lay their eggs. This is one of the very mysterious of these reptiles. We move on to next para. Sea turtles are among the many wonderful creatures we share this planet with. They have survived natural dangers for millions of years, but sadly, human activities during the last few decades have put them in grave danger. There are many factors that threaten their survival. People hunt them for their meat or collect their eggs. Already we saw that survival means continue to live and decades means 10 years. Sea turtles are one of the most wonderful creature in the world. But human activities, because human collect their meat and also predators eat the hatchlings. That's why the sea turtles are very less in numbers. And few more problems are there for sea turtles to survive in the world. Sometimes they are accidentally trapped in the nest of motor boats. Problems like pollution, dumping of plastics into the ocean, and construction activities on nesting beaches also hurt their survival. Only by systematically tackling these problems and removing these threats can we ensure that sea turtles will continue to exist in the years to come. There are few more problems because they catch between the motor boats. As they are small hatchlings, they catch between the motor boats, and also pollution and dumping of plastic into the ocean also affect their survival. And also construction activities on nesting beaches also affect their survival. It is our duty to save the sea turtles. We should not make any harmful to sea turtles. Okay, let's I give you one more mind map, children. Come, let's I explain it to you. This is turtles, sea turtles. Sea turtle is a marine relative of tortoise. Sea turtles live entire life in sea. There are 7 species in the world. Out of 7, 5 species found in India. They are olive riddle, weighs up to 35 kg, leatherback 700 kg, green sea turtle, loggerhead, ucasbill. These are the 5 species found in India. Sea turtles comes to land to lay eggs only, and also for mass nesting they comes to land. This is a quick recap of first section and also sea turtles lesson. Let's see some more dangerous activities. They are hatchlings are hunted by people, pollution and dumping plastics, eaten by crabs and birds, and building construction. Next is we are going to see sea turtles book back exercise. Factors, reason, threaten, endanger, trapped, caught, dumping, heaping, construction, building. These are the synonyms. And prey, victim, estimate, calculate, survive, live, mysterious, puzzles, fascinating, interesting, grave, serious, hurt, injure or harm, systematically, regularly, threats, dangers, exist, live. These are the synonyms for this section, and this is antonyms. Pollution, purity, construction, destruction, hurt, heal, survival, death, systematically, irregularly, threats, promises, continue, discontinue, adult, baby, survive, die, same, different, fascinating, boring, wonderful, ordinary, natural, artificial, sadly, gladly, grave, mild, accidentally, intentionally. These are the antonyms from inside your book. Okay, then we are going to see about, sorry children, sorry for the inconvenience. We are going to see about one words. They are called as homophones. Homophones means same pronunciation but different in meaning. See these options. There are 2 options are there. Pray, pray. They pronounce same, but the meaning of P-R-A-Y, pray, and P-R-E-Y, pray are different. Let's see in the next class only. Okay, we are going to see the homophones fill up and also these question answers in next class. Is it clear? Today your assignment will be based on second and third section only, students. I will send it to you later. Write within 2 days and submit it within 2 days. Please don't take more than 1 day. Try to complete within 1 day itself. I hope you understand this topic. Thank you for watching, children. Submit your assignments. Thank you.